Now you may think food court is a word of an era long gone, but that couldn't be further from the truth. You see, like its predecessors, Twin Pines, the Galleria, Star Court, Spokane Valley Mall has plenty of incredible places to eat to fill your belly while you're shopping. Now today, I'm gonna check out Madfire Kitchen and Catering that is ran by a guy right here from Spokane Valley. Let's go check it out. Owner Will Standage isn't playing around with his food. From sandwiches to rice bowls and even crispy fries, every item on his menu is meticulously crafted and locally sourced. How does using Washington ingredients help you as a chef?
Oh, it helps tremendously. We're getting local arugula. We make our red onion marmalade. We make that with Walla Walla sweet onions. And then all of our fries are also Washington potatoes. It means a lot with how much access we have in Washington.
I'm looking at my clock here. It's about lunchtime.
Oh, yeah.
I think we need to go check out this pastrami
sandwich. Yes, we do. Yeah.
All right, so here we are. We're gonna make this famous pastrami sandwich. What makes it so good?
I would have to say it's our marmalade. We cook down about 7.5 pounds of red onions and Walla Walla sweets with a whole bottle of wine and a little hint of chipotle peppers in there, some sugar.
All right, there's a good pop of flavor happening.
Oh, yeah.
This is not your typical fast food little meal.
No, we hear that a lot. We hear, we don't expect this from mall food. And, my big thing that I tell people is I'm not mall food. I just
work in a mall.
Get in where you fit in, right? Get in where you can get in, right?
That is beautiful. Oh, look at that juice coming out of the pastrami.
Ready for this?
Here we go.
All right.
That jam that you put on, that sweetness balances out that tartness of the mustard and the arugula. I mean, that's a good balanced sandwich. I can taste
It's quite popular.
Oh, I know why. I can only imagine what everybody else is going to think about this sandwich, but this is on point. All right, time to see what others have to say about this bad boy. See, I love it when we just get because that's all you need. I don't even need to ask her any questions.
I do like that. Oh, this is heaven. That's good. I like that. The fresh cut of meat, the dressing or whatever's on it, the greens, and the ciabatta bread. The seasoning is like really good.
Sold. Check. Over.
I'll buy it.